This year, ang daming buzz tungkol sa mga super slim phones. Apple just dropped, the iPhone Air at just 5.6mm thin, their thinnest iPhone ever. Pero alam niyo ba, bago pa lumabas yan, Infinix already made a history. On August 26, 2025, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus specifically was officially certified by the Guinness World of Records as the world's thinnest 3D curved display smartphone at just 5.95mm thin. And oh, by the way guys, in this video, we will be giving away one Infinix Hot 60 series phone and one Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus phone guys to 2 lucky subscribers at the end of this video, so stay tuned and watch the whole thing. Once again, this is James Avante, also known as Kuya James, and now James 3.0, let's go! Naalala nyo yung panahon ng Motorola Razr guys, yung era ng sobrang nipis na mga cellphones. That era is making a comeback and Infinix was one of the first brands to bring it back this 2025, way earlier than the iPhone series. At 5.9mm guys, the Hot 60 Pro Plus proved na hindi lang siya slim, it's also stylish, curve, and feels premium. Ngayon meron kang dalawang pagpipilian guys sa Hot 60 lineup. We have the Infinix Hot 60 Pro and we have the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. So, unahin natin yung Hot 60 Pro guys. The SRP is around 9,999 pesos or more or less 10,000 pesos. The display is at 6.7 AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate. Processor is a mid-tier chip only. For daily tasks and social media, wala siya magiging problema. Memory and storage is at 8GB of RAM plus virtual expansion for dynamic RAM and up to 128GB of storage guys in terms of ROM naman. Battery is at 5,160mAh with 45 watts fast charging, and the camera is a 50MP rear sensor with a decent selfie camera. For its price guys, it's a solid phone for everyday use, lalo na kung student ka or casual user. Now let's move on to the Hot 60 Pro Plus. So SRP is around 11,999 pesos or 12,000, which is 2,000 pesos more than the Hot 60 Pro series. It's the certified Guinness World Record holder guys at 5.9mm thin. Display is at 6.7 AMOLED, sharper 1.5K resolution at 144 refresh rate. Memory is also 8+8 guys dynamic RAM and up to 256GB of storage in terms of ROM. Battery and charging is same 5,160mAh plus 45 watts fast charging, so parehas lang sila in terms of battery and charging. Camera is upgraded 50MP, so same yung megapixel nila, but this one specifically uses a Sony IMX882 sensor. Design is a aerospace grade curved build. Yes, mas mahal siya ng around 2,000 pesos, pero I can say for that 2,000 pesos, mas loaded naman siya in terms of premium features. So let's compare them quickly side by side kung sakaling nalito ka, no? So sa features guys, again, SRP 9,999 pesos. The Hot 60 Pro Plus is 11,999 pesos. In terms of thickness guys, they declare slim profile si Hot 60 Pro, but si Hot 60 Pro Plus is at 5.95mm Guinness certified, no? So kung mahilig ka doon sa mga gimmick na yun, then this might be the phone for you. Display guys, both at AMOLED technology, but 120Hz on the Hot 60 Pro, and on the Hot 60 Pro Plus, AMOLED 1.5K display with 144Hz refresh rate. Storage naman guys, on the Hot 60 Pro, sorry guys, mali pala ako kaninang sinabi, up to 256GB of storage na rin siya. Same goes on the Hot 60 Pro Plus. Camera is a 50MP standard sensor on the Hot 60 Pro, and on the Hot 60 Pro Plus is a 50MP Sony IMX882 sensor. Battery is both the same at 5,160mAh with 45 watts fast charging. Design and build guys, sa Hot 60 Pro, slim curve kumbaga tinatawag nila. Dito naman sa Hot 60 Pro Plus, ultra slim curve, no? So may ultra plus aerospace grade finish. So both are slim and stylish, pero literally guys, the Pro Plus gives you a sharper display and way better camera. So in this part naman, let's focus mainly on the camera. So both phones have 50MP main camera, pero again, on the Hot 60 Pro Plus, gamit nila yung Sony IMX882 sensor. That is a 1/1.95-inch ultra-sensitive sensor na kaya mag-capture ng mga malinaw na details, better low-light shots, at mas rich ang colors niya in terms of output. So side-by-side sample shots guys, on the Hot 60 Pro, malinaw at social media ready na siya, I can say. So kung camera quality ang priority mo guys, I can say say the Pro Plus is definitely a better choice. So bakit big deal ang Hot 60 series, guys? Because it marks the return literally of the teen era. So mapapansin nyo talaga right now, like literally sunod-sunod, mapapansin even after this YouTube video, guys, I will be uploading more videos about slim smartphones these days. Slim design, AMOLED display, big battery, and strong cameras, lahat yan nasa presyo na affordable because of the Infinix Hot 60 series. So the biggest question, guys, between these two smartphones, guys, ito yung pinaka most common na tanong right now sa akin. Alin ang dapat nating bilhin? So if budget friendly ang priority mo, guys, I can say hindi ka naman magkakamali in terms of the Hot 60 Pro, guys, which is priced around 9,999 pesos. Pero kung kaya mo magdagdag ng literally maliit lang naman extra 2,000 pesos, guys, the Hot 60 Pro Plus will literally give you, number one again kung gusto mo ng gimmick, Guinness certified world's thinnest 3D curved design smartphone, guys, this 2025, a sharper 1.5K AMOLED display with 144Hz, Sony IMX882 camera sensor for clearer photos, especially in low light, and a storage of up to 256GB of storage. Plus, I didn't mention pa pala, meron pa to, guys, sound by JBL kung sakaling sensitive ka in terms of the music. So, for me, kung kaya ng budget, guys, the Pro Plus is definitely, guys, the most worth it, or I can say the best choice in terms of these two phones. Pero kung literally tipid mode ka talaga, I can say sulit pa rin naman ang Hot 60 Pro. So that's our full review, guys, of the Infinix Hot 60 Pro and Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. And by the way, guys, kung sakali naghahanap kayo, guys, ng discounted price nito, I got you. I have put link in the description, guys, yung direct discount link natin on these two phones. I guarantee you, guys, that's the best price na mahanap nyo while you watching right now. So go i-check out na lang ninyo. And in case, guys, nandito kayo for the giveaway, guys, don't worry, I got you also. No? So we'll be giving away one Infinix Hot 60 Pro and one Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus. Total of 2 phones, guys, in this video. So mas mataas ang chances of winning ninyo. So para sumali, simple lang. Like this video, i-comment mo dyan sa baba alin ang nagustuhan mo, Hot 60 Pro or Hot 60 Pro Plus, at bakit. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe dahil i-announce natin, guys, yung winner, guys, ng cellphone na to sa mga susunod nating video, guys. So once again, this is James Infante, also known as Kuya James, and now, James 3.0. See you on the next one. Peace out.